Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. In the series of learning Adavus, we have learned Shikhara Adavu step number 4, and today, without delay, we will move on to Shikhara or shutru Adavu step number 5. And if you missed Shikhara Adavu step number 1, 2, 3, 4, you can click on my description box or also go to my channel and watch my previous videos. We have to stamp in number 1 and 2, then sit in Murumandi position. 1, 2, 3. And also keep in mind, in number 3, we have taken a very slight jump while sit in Murumandi position. 1, 2, 3. In count number 4, 5 and 6, we will do as it is we did in step number 4. 4, 5, 6. So in number 4, we lift our leg. In number 5 and 6, we'll keep back side. After this, complete the step just like number 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We use 3 pataka gesture in this step also, and the beginning position will just like number 4. In number 1 and 2, we have to stretch our hand and palm facing should be downwards. In number 3, we'll take back. In number 4 and 5, hands will stretch towards the side and we'll take back in number 6. Now from here, we'll do last part of this step just like step number 4. From left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And keep in mind, when you will open your hands in any direction, you have to look at your hands. Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam, Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam, Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam, Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam. Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam, 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 Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam. So this is shutru or Shikhara Adavu step number 5. We will learn step number 6 in our next video. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.